Assalamualaikum and very good day to Dr. and my fellow friends. My name is Muhammad Kamal Arif. I'm a representative for the group A for the experiment 6, which is experiment A. Okay, for the experiment, the name of the experiment is the angular measurement by using sine bar method. Okay, the basic of the experiment is to find any material that incurve by finding the height of the material based on the ground to the material. Okay, so the procedure of this experiment is that we need to find the dimension of the block first, which is right here, and there is a x axis, y axis, and z axis, which is right here. After finding the dimension of this block, we need to find the theta of this block itself, which is the angle of this block. So to find the angle of this block, we need to use the method of sin theta equal to s minus z equal divided by y, which is here is s minus z and y. After finding the theta itself, which is right here, we can proceed to another method, which is the theory of sin theta equivalent to h over a. The h is the dimension from here to here, and here says the height from the right here to the ground. After finding the height itself, we will proceed to another step, which is using the block itself to find out whether this sine bar, whether this block will be in the flat surface or not, by using the surface measurement, which is shown right here. The way it's used is to find the appropriate value based on the calculation itself, which is here 14.5 and 6.5 and 1.5. After finding all the blocks that based on the theory of the calculation, we stack up the block itself on the ground of this flat surface. And then you need to remember the flat surface should be right here in order to find the true value. After that, we got over here and then move the surface from the point of the surface measurement. Okay. In order to find out whether this flat or not, we can see the value of surface measurement, which is really 0. After we move the block from left to right, if the value of here is 0 and until from left to right it is 0, which means that our calculation is true and the height itself is true. If the value of the measurement is moved, which is to height, meaning that our calculation is wrong and we need to repeat itself. So in this experiment, we will repeat the experiment 5 times based on the different height, which is after that we find the average height. Therefore, in this to be concluded, the objective of the experiment is to find the flat surface of the block when it is inclined, and also find the height of the block itself. Okay, I think that's all from me for the experiment. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good evening to everyone. So my name is Muaz and I'm representative from group 2A. So today I'm going to present to you about experiment 6, which is to measure the roundness of the specimen. This is specimen. So for this experiment, there will be 3 specimen which are different size of the experiment itself. So for this experiment, we will be using round out gauge system. So this machine is from Japan. So this will be the machine that will be used for measuring the roundness of the specimen. So without further ado, so as you can see that now is how we want to use this machine. So for the first step is we need to take the measurement and put the level here, and we need to put it the specimen here, and we will log it using this one. So as we all know that this lever actually can measure a lot different size, and you can see you can adjust the height of the lever by using this knob. And after that, we need to move this this compartment near the specimen and make it just a bit touch the specimen. Okay, we need to make sure that it not push the specimen too hard, because it will affect the result that we get afterward. So, and next one, after you touch, you need to reset it to 0. As you can see here, it is 0, and now we can start the experiment by pushing this knob here. And we will see that the value start to rise after when we start to pushing this knob. So from this value, we can get the value for the maximum and the minimum for the roundness of the object. So I think that's all for this experiment. For the other specimen, we just repeat the same step, but with different specimen. So that's all from 2A. So thank you very much for your time, and see you guys soon.